In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an issue where Google Meet is blocked from using your microphone and camera. This is a common problem that many users face, but fortunately, it can be resolved in just a few simple steps. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to troubleshoot and fix these issues so you can have smooth and uninterrupted video calls. First, let's dive into your browser settings. This is where most permission related issues often begin. Open your preferred web browser and head straight to the settings section. Every browser might look slightly different, but generally you'll find this option in the menu, usually represented by three dots or lines in the upper right corner. From there you need to navigate to the privacy settings. This is an important area because it's where all your site permissions are managed. Once you're in the privacy section, take a moment to locate the subsection for site permissions. Here, you should see options related to camera and microphone usage. It's critical to ensure Google Meet has permission to access your microphone and camera. This permission can sometimes be inadvertently denied as a security measure when you initially try to use Google Meet or perhaps during an update, which may reset some settings. When you see the options for camera and microphone, look for Google Meet in the list of sites. If it's not there, you might need to manually add it or simply wait until you're prompted when starting a meeting. You'll usually be presented with the option to always allow when you initiate a call. This ensures that the browser will remember your choice for future meetings, making the process smoother next time. Now let's turn our focus to the Google Meet application itself. Open Google Meet in your browser and join a meeting as you normally would. While you're in a meeting, click on the three dots situated in the bottom right corner of the meeting window. This will open a drop-down menu and your next move should be to select Settings. Here you'll find options for both your microphone and camera. Within the settings, confirm that the correct microphone and camera are selected. Sometimes, if multiple devices are connected to your computer, another camera or microphone might be selected by default. Make sure these settings reflect the devices you wish to use. Once you verify and adjust any necessary settings, you should be all set to continue with your meeting. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any blocks preventing Google Meet from accessing your microphone and camera. If the problem persists, consider restarting your browser or even your computer, as this can often resolve any lingering issues. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your Google Meet experience back on track.